Hey, TheLulzyArtist here, and I'm getting sick of these Console Cavemen, these Neanderthals of the gaming world being so ignorant about PC gaming. They think it's hard to build a gaming PC, they think it's expensive. Well, it's not. All you need is an ordinary PC like this. So, take your screwdriver and very carefully remove the case. Now that case is out of the way, you want to install your parts. Here's the power supply. Some cooling, since it's a PC game. You know, making a PC gaming thing. Now, hard drive. Now, this is a mechanical hard drive. They're very delicate. They got spinning platters in it. You don't want to bump them or get them. What else we got here? Oh, World of Warcraft, because if you're going to game on the PC, you have to play this. It's the only PC game. Install that. A graphics card. Here you go. This one is an AMD card. You can see you got that. If you're running Intel, I would recommend this. But since we have an AMD chipset, let's just throw that in there. I don't know. Here's some RAM. Some RAM sticks. What else? Sound. Here's the sound card. What else we need? Oh, the CPU. This one's already overclocked, so just go and drop that in there. What else? Oh yeah, DVD drive. Just take a DVD, whatever, of any kind, throw it in there. And now you very carefully put the case back on. Alright, now that we got everything in there, time to close up the case. Now, don't use your expensive brand new Air Jordans. Use your Timberlands instead. See that? Timberlands. Yeah, bitch! And now it's time for the final step. And presto, you have a full gaming PC, and it didn't cost you much of anything.